Ladies, are you over 60 and think jeans can't be elegant? Think again. I'm here to show you how to rock denim with style and sophistication at any age. In this video, we'll ditch the frumpy and embrace fabulous. I'll share my secrets for choosing the right jeans, creating chic outfits, and accessorizing like a pro. Get ready to turn heads and feel amazing in your denim game. So let's explore some do's and don'ts to elevated ways to wear jeans, and how to put together stylish jeans for women over 60 that are sophisticated, modern, and totally you. Choosing the right fit. Let's face it, finding the perfect pair of jeans can be a challenge at any age, but it doesn't have to be a daunting task. With so many styles and cuts available, mature women can absolutely rock fashionable denim with confidence and grace. The key is understanding what works best for your body and embracing styles that flatter your figure. When it comes to choosing the right cut, consider your personal style and desired look. For a timeless classic, opt for straight-leg jeans that offer a sleek and polished appearance. They're incredibly versatile and can be dressed up or down with ease. The clean lines of a straight-leg cut create a streamlined look that's perfect for both casual and slightly dressier occasions. As for everyday chic, choose a comfortable and flattering option for everyday wear. Try a relaxed fit or a slightly tapered leg. These styles offer a bit more room to move while still providing a flattering shape. Do not settle for low-rise jeans that don't provide support. Forget those low-rise jeans that were all the rage years ago. For a more mature and sophisticated look, opt for mid-rise or high-rise styles. These not only provide much-needed tummy support, but also create a smoother, more elongated silhouette. You'll stand taller and feel more confident with the gentle lift and support these styles offer. Now that you've found the perfect fit, let's talk about color and discover how different washes can transform your look. Color me chic. Choosing the right wash for your jeans. The color of your jeans plays a significant role in creating a polished and stylish look, especially for mature women. While there's certainly room for variety, understanding the nuances of different washes can make all the difference in achieving that effortlessly chic appearance. Dark washes, the elegant choice. When it comes to exuding elegance, dark washes reign supreme. Think deep indigo or classic black. These shades offer a slimming effect and lend a more formal, sophisticated feel to your outfit compared to their lighter counterparts. They're incredibly versatile and can be easily dressed up for a special occasion or down for a casual outing. Light washes, relaxed yet refined. Don't shy away from lighter washes entirely though. If you prefer a more relaxed and casual vibe, a well-chosen light wash can still be incredibly stylish. The key is to opt for washes that aren't overly faded or distressed. A clean light wash can look fresh and modern when paired with the right pieces. If you want to look iconic wearing denim, you can opt for these two styles I have. The first one is dark wash sophistication. Pair your dark wash jeans with tailored pieces like a blazer, a crisp white shirt, or a silk blouse for an effortlessly elegant ensemble. Add a statement necklace or a pair of heels to elevate the look even further. If you just wanted to go for a relaxed vibe, try light wash chic. Balance the casualness of light wash jeans with refined pieces like a cashmere sweater, a linen top, or a fitted jacket. Complete the outfit with stylish flats or loafers for a comfortable yet polished look. Do not stick to flashy colors or heavy embellishments. While it can be tempting to experiment with trendy colors or embellishments, remember that simplicity often reigns supreme when it comes to timeless elegance. Avoid overly flashy colors, excessive distressing, or heavy embellishments that can detract from a polished look. Instead, focus on classic washes and clean designs that let your overall style shine through. With the perfect wash in hand, let's explore some stylish outfit ideas that will have you turning heads in your fabulous jeans. First style we have, elevated casual. Pairing jeans with stylish tops. Finding the right top to wear with your jeans can make all the difference in creating a stylish and polished look. Whether you're heading out for a casual coffee date or a dinner with friends, the options are endless. For a timeless and effortlessly stylish look, opt for a crisp button-down shirt or a structured blouse. These versatile pieces pair perfectly with any style of jeans and can be dressed up or down with ease. A well-tailored blouse in a beautiful fabric instantly elevates your look and adds a touch of sophistication. Now, if you prefer a more relaxed vibe, consider flowing, longer tops that provide a bit more coverage. A tunic-style top in a lightweight fabric creates a graceful silhouette and pairs beautifully with slim-fitting or straight-leg jeans. These tops offer comfort and style, making them ideal for everyday wear. As for styling tips, if you're wearing a longer top, try tucking it in or belting it to define your waist and create a more balanced look. Next, adding a cardigan, jacket, or scarf can add visual interest and dimension to your outfit. Lastly, don't forget the power of accessories. A statement necklace, a colourful scarf, or a stylish belt can complete your look and add a personal touch. Do not choose tops that are overly clingy or too loose. Avoid tops that are either too tight or too oversized, as they can disrupt the balanced silhouette you're aiming for. Clingy tops can draw attention to areas you may not want to highlight, while overly loose tops may hide your shape altogether. Aim for a flattering fit, structured tops that gently skim your body for a refined and put-together look. This will enhance your outfit without overpowering it. Here's another of my favorite styling tip: layering for elegance. Layering is a fantastic way to add visual interest, warmth, and a touch of elegance to your jeans outfits. It allows you to play with textures, colors, and proportions, creating a look that is uniquely you. Imagine transforming a simple jeans and t-shirt combination into something truly special with the addition of a soft, well-draped cardigan. A longer cardigan creates a relaxed and comfortable feel, perfect for a casual day out, while a shorter cardigan adds a touch of polish for a lunch date with friends. If you're looking for something with a bit more flair, consider a duster coat. These long, flowing layers add movement and sophistication to any outfit, instantly elevating your style. And for a truly timeless and chic look, nothing beats a classic trench coat. Layered over your favorite jeans and a stylish top, it exudes effortless elegance. Of course, a structured blazer is always a fantastic choice for adding a touch of sophistication. Opt for a neutral color for maximum versatility, or make a statement with a bold hue. Do not overdo it with bulky or oversized layers. While layering can add sophistication and style, too many heavy or oversized pieces can overwhelm your frame and make the outfit look frumpy. Opt for lightweight, tailored layers that complement your shape and add elegance without adding unnecessary bulk. Keep it balanced. Your layers should enhance your jeans outfit, not hide it. Now, to complete your look to make you look more stunning and iconic in those jeans, here's another styling tip: accessorizing your look. Accessorizing is where you can truly let your personality shine and transform your jeans from simple to sensational. The right accessories can add a touch of elegance, a pop of color, or a dash of personality to your look. Elevating your favorite jeans and t-shirt with a beautiful silk scarf. Drape it effortlessly around your neck, let it cascade over your shoulders, or even tie it around your wrist for a touch of Parisian chic. A scarf not only adds a splash of color and pattern, but also draws the eye upwards, creating a balanced and flattering silhouette. Another thing is a well-chosen belt. A sleek belt cinched at your waist can define your figure and pull your whole look together, creating a polished and sophisticated feel, especially when paired with a longer top or tunic. When it comes to footwear, the options are endless. A pair of sleek loafers adds a touch of refinement to your jeans, perfect for a lunch date or a day at the museum. If you prefer a bit more height, Opt for stylish ankle boots that offer both comfort and elegance for everyday wear. Do not overdo it with too many statement accessories at once. While accessorizing is key to elevating your jeans outfit, wearing too many bold pieces can overwhelm your look and detract from its elegance. Instead, pick one or two standout accessories, like a classic scarf or a sleek belt, to add sophistication without overcomplicating your ensemble. Remember, less is often more when aiming for an effortlessly chic style. With a little creativity and attention to detail, you can use accessories to create a variety of stylish and sophisticated looks with your favorite jeans. So go ahead, have fun, and let your accessories do the talking. And as for my final styling tip, confidence is the key. Confidence is your best accessory. When you feel good, you look good, so wear what makes you feel fabulous and own it. Because true style begins with self-love. So, are you ready to embrace your inner fashionista and rock those jeans with confidence and style? Leave a comment below and tell me which tip you're most excited to try. And don't forget, true elegance comes from feeling comfortable and confident in your own skin. If you enjoyed this video on mastering the art of dressing elegantly in jeans, you'll love my next one. Stay tuned for more style inspiration.